Yo, what's going on, traders? Hope you all had a great profitable trading day. We took 2 trades today. I have shared both of them with the free Telegram channel. So if you're not in the free Telegram channel, make sure to check the link in the description. Join the free Telegram channel. It's free, man. I'm sharing some trading ideas in there and some more good stuff. Just check it out and see what I got for you. Sometimes I'm running giveaways as well, and these giveaways are a must-have. Because yeah, just check it out, man. Just check out the group and see what I got for you. And in today's video, yeah, let's talk about the trades that I took today, guys. So the first entry, we got stopped out, unfortunately, and the reason why I took the trade was easy, guys. I mean, in the Asian session, I grabbed liquidity like the low from Friday and the low from Thursday. And then we had a nice break of structure in here, another break of structure in here. So I was just waiting for the pullback into that zone. And as you can see, we had a nice reaction over here. But the market decided to stop us out. And when I saw that they stop us out, I was like, all right, I'm sure they just wanted to hit the big figure number 1,750. And this is what they did. On 1,750, we had a nice reaction to the upside, and I was like, okay, after I got stopped out, I was like, let's give it a second chance. I was getting in again with 1% risk, and then I was loading it up along the way. And as soon as it hit the recent high over here, I was closing the position, because out of 1% risk, I was able to make 4%, something like 4% profit with a loading it up position. And the first trade, unfortunately, I was loading it up without using my stop loss. So I didn't move my stop because I thought it will turn around, and unfortunately I risked 3% on that trade. That was way too much, way too much. It was not a good trade. I was really pissed about myself, because I should have pulled the stop at least to break even. I didn't know why I was thinking like, no, this thing should come, I thought I'm more clever than the market, and I'm sure some of you have this problem sometimes as well. I don't know why I did this today. It kind of fucked me up, pissed me up, because it was just not a good trade. But I'm happy that I finished the day with 1% profit, because I was able to bank this nice trade. After the liquidity got grabbed, I got in. I was like, okay, let's do it. Because if you think about the market in terms of zones where buyers and sellers are waiting, I mean, let's say you have sellers. Where do they take profits and become buyers? Of course, at this over here, at this over here. These are targets for sellers. That means if the sellers are closing here, we are facing a lot of buying pressure, you know. And that's why I was like, all right, let's buy this thing, let's give it another shot, let's risk 1%, see what we can do, and let's get the money back as quick as possible. It was not the cleverest move. Especially the first trade fucks me up a lot, because this one should have been a maximum risk of 1%, and I violated my rule because the market was moving nice in my direction. We broke structure, we had like a 3-leg extension to the upside. I was loading it up, but then I was moving my stop down because I thought it needs more time to breathe. It wants to go for another liquidity grab before going up. But man, the market doesn't care about what the fuck you are thinking, and you have to get this in your brain, and I have to get it in my brain as well sometimes. So yeah, but overall we end up with $70,000 profit, which is a little bit more than 1%. I'm happy about that. We started the week with a nice profit like last week, but last week we ended up with a break-even week. So let's see, I hope this week will be nice. The 2 weeks before last week were without losses at all. We made big money. Then we had break-even week, and now let's see what we got for this week. Let's see, man. I really want to finish strong this week, and let's see what we got. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and we see you in the next video, guys. Wish you all the best, and join the free Telegram channel. And if you need my help, I'm there to help you. Drop me a private message on Telegram. This is the only way you can reach me, alright? Telegram, alright? Don't fall for anybody who tries to pull you in the WhatsApp inside of the comment section. Don't believe them. Please just contact me on Telegram. I'm not in WhatsApp. I will keep it on Telegram. One messenger is enough, more than enough. Thank you for your time. Wish you all the best. Peace. What you know, every now and